Hello everyone, how are you? I hope that you are also fit and fine. I am also great by the grace Almighty Bhagwan. Right now I am sitting here. Actually, it's our Nilshagor, my favorite place. Today in this video gonna sharing my opinion. Actually, in this video I talk about listening. In this topic, listening is the most important thing for spoken English journey, so it must be needed. First of all, I can say that listening is very important for spoken English. I repeat, you more listening, you more practice, so your journey will be comfortable feel, and uh, you can learn English. Okay, actually spoken English, your journey will be better. Okay, so the more you hear, the better for you. It's very important listening. Okay, you can try it. You can learn English from cartoons, video, English movies, and magazine, uh, news, English news actually, and you must be subtitle used any kinds of video watching. Okay, it's very helpful for you. I always try to any kinds of video actually. English movie, maybe English movie and English related motivational speaker. It doesn't matter if you want to subtitle use English video watching. Okay, it's very helpful for you. I always try to subtitle use any kinds of video watching. Okay, so you can cartoons video, movies video, any kinds of video watching. It's very helpful for you. I almost try it. I have a YouTube channel. uh, my YouTube channel name Tushar Obtain. Regular video upload here. I try it as a learner, as a beginner. uh, my opinion share in this channel. Subscribe me, support me, my YouTube channel and my Facebook page. Okay, as a learner, as a beginner, it must be needed maybe. uh, Actually, if you have an interest, actually not interest, it's highly interest needed. It must be helpful. Okay, if you know any kinds of interest, you cannot